जिस फाउंडेशन पर मोटर बंधी थी वो फाउंडेशन जमीन से 8-10 फीट पुर्जा नीचे था। गवाह ने हाथ उठाकर पुर्जा की लंबाई बताई जो लगभग 6 फुट है। लकड़ी की कड़ी पटरा रखकर फाउंडेशन बनाया था। यह सही है कि जब हम लोग मौके पर पहुंचे तो मेरे माँ बाप दोनों कुएं के अंदर इसी फाउंडेशन पे मरे पड़े थे।
If your instructing counsel has told you, briefed you correctly, we had put very specific queries to him to show us from the statement of those two witnesses whether this suggestion was given or not given.
It was given, page 110.
So you continue your arguments from that stage.
Very well, my lord. Very well, my lord. Page, kindly have a page 100.
Yes.
Now, my lord,
Yes.
my lord, in the convenience compilation, page 109.
Okay, convenience compilation. There are two, which one you are referring to? 109?
109.
All right, let us see that. PW1?
PW1.
You read in Hindi only. Read from the Hindi version.
Very well, my lord. कुएं की चौड़ाई 5-6 फुट होगी। उसमें पानी निकालने के लिए बिजली की मोटर लगी थी। जिस फाउंडेशन पर
क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन
ऑल राइट, जिस फाउंडेशन पर मोटर बंधी थी वो फाउंडेशन जमीन से 8-10 फीट पुर्जा नीचे था। गवाह ने हाथ उठाकर पुर्जा की लंबाई बताई जो लगभग 6 फुट है। लकड़ी की कड़ी पटरा रखकर फाउंडेशन बनाया था। यह सही है कि जब हम लोग मौके पर पहुंचे तो मेरे माँ बाप दोनों कुएं के अंदर इसी फाउंडेशन पे मरे पड़े थे। They were already dead. The body was inside the well. And my lord, this is something very queer. I will submit. He sees everything except the fact that their parents were unclothed. Both the bodies were naked. He does not see that they were assaulted by gun button and the lathi. He does not mention anything in the fact. And the FIR version is that only 2 persons they threw them in the well. It is not the FIR version that all the 4 persons. And in 313 also, this is a very specific case of the prosecution that they were shot dead and then the body was thrown in the well.
Let us see the 313 statement.
Very well, my
lord. Where is it, please?
Very well. 201 of the original paper book.
201. Yes.
Kindly have question number 2.
Just one minute, please.
We are not as fast as you, Mr. Prasad, please.
No, I am not at all fast. Now we too old a person to be fast, my lord.
201.
201.
No, 201.
The SLP by Pratap and another, my lord.
19.1.
Yes, my lord.
19.1 you are arguing.
My lord.
19 is by Radhe Shyamlal.
No, Pratap and another.
All right.
All right, wait. Pratap. Page 201.
This is a supplementary statement on
my lord.
This is the original one.
Yes, my lord. Is the first statement under page 180, my lord. 180.
188.
180, my lord.
180 is statement of
Rajesh.
Rajesh Kumar.
All the 313 statements are the same.
Or annex,
Therefore, this should not worry your lordship, should not. Due to the aforesaid incident, you people, namely Radheshyam, Pratap, Pappu, Elias Gandhi, Jagannath, the accused persons with common intention in the light intervening 21st, 22nd.
By causing gunfire.
Yes, my lord. Murdered the informant's father Mohan and mother Bodha by causing gunfire. There is
Respondent.
Yes.
बताइए.
What is the case you have put to the accused in 313? Don't dispute, no dispute that the cause of death is blunt weapons.
Lordship, just give us some time to go through 313 statement, Your Lordship.
No time, sorry.
No time.
We already started hearing last date.
Last date hearing took place for about 1.5 hours.
Yes, Your Lordship.
It didn't require more than 10 minutes as a matter of fact.
Because as per the prosecution, Lordship,
Because is not the answer, way to answer. Yes or no.
Yes,
What
Mr.
is-
Pratap Singh, what do you have to say?
We put you a simple question. What is the nature of injuries as per the medical evidence?
Because we have the supplementary statement.
We are asking
The
you what is.
supplementary that because there was a gunfire. So what has happened is that because these people was behind the bush and they were watching. There were gunfires, and these people because these people belong to the scheduled caste. They could not go close to the well. That was in the morning when they went and their body was pulled out. Then it was seen.
Then they came to know that injuries were by blunt weapons. So then they could not have been the eyewitnesses, please.
Because what happened is that there were gunfire which were being made. Because
Does any one of the witnesses say that the deceased were unclothed before being thrown in the well? If they had seen the incident, that would not have escaped their notice. You can't dispute that.
This has come, if I can read the chief.
Read the witness. Yes, that the deceased were, the victims were unclothed. Read that.
Your Lordship has in 19.1 only. I have also placed on record all the evidence of PW1.
Read.
Please.
Yes.
The counter affidavit was filed in that was placed.
Yeah, you read. All
Plus,
right.
I, Shyam Narayan, son of so and so, age so and so is a member of so and so community. My father was deceased, Mohan alias Fajihar, and my mother was Bodha Devi. I, along with my brother, and both deceased used to live together. The accused of this case, Mr. R. Radheshyam, Rajesh, Pratap, and Jagannath. All these accused are not of my caste; they belong to general category caste. I have known and identified them from before. All the accused persons are from village. My mother Bodha Devi and my father Mohan used to work as keeper at the pumping set of Kamla Singh, and my mother and father used to sleep at the pumping set of Kamla Singh during the nights. The incident had taken place at about 4.5 years ago. In the night of the incident, also my mother and father had gone to sleep during the night at Kamla's place. My mother and father were working with Kamla Singh for many years. We had a land-related dispute with Radheshyam Lal, and due to the said dispute, Radheshyam and others were inimical towards my family. All the four accused persons have a gang together and are of same mindset. They are desperate kind of strongmen. 2 days prior to the incident, accused Pratap was unscrewing nut and bolt from the trolley of my cousin from cousin brother Pannalal without his permission, forcibly and stealthily. Pannalal and Pallanad had objected to his doing so, whereupon Pratap had called Pannalal as so and abused him with filthy and vulgar expletives. At that time, my father Mohan had also reached there, and my father had also told Pratap not to abuse, whereupon Pratap had said so and so will hit you so hard that you would get splattered everywhere, marenge chitra jaoge. And due to this incident, the animosity with all the aforesaid accused persons had become more intense. The night of the incident, in which the incident had taken place at about 1 o'clock in the night. I was harvesting Kamla Singh's wheat crops, field situated near his pumping set. Dashmi and Dulare were also harvesting wheat crop with me. It was a bright night and bulb was lit near the pumping set, and there was sufficient kafi light due to the same. We were harvesting wheat crop in the said light after hearing the sound of gunfire. So it is after hearing the sound of gunfire. We had reached near the boundary wall of pumping set of Kamla Send, where there was much light at the tube well. In that light, I saw that